Every designer or creative person has this problem, the blank page syndrome. You're looking at your screen, it's blank, you don't even know what to put there. And I'm gonna help you solve this problem in 15 seconds. First step, throw away your computer. There's just too many options there. It's too overwhelming. Grab a piece of paper, your notebook, and a pen, and then start drawing rectangular in the size of your format. You're designing a website, do a rectangular. You're designing an app, do a rectangular this way, and then just start putting in the elements that you need to have there. You know you need an image, put some kind of a circle with an X in it to mark that there's going to be an image there. You don't need to know what it is. There's going to be a headline or text. Just mark some lines that are going to place the fact that you will need to come up with a headline. You don't have to solve this right now. Just put the elements on the sketch so that you have something. The page is no longer blank. Once you do a couple of those to try different compositions, now you only need to think about the next question, which is what image should I use or what headline should I write? And we'll talk about this in the next video.